$500 million. That is what the online making money industry is currently worth. And it has been projected by in the next 4 years, by 2030, the industry is going to be worth $1 to $2 trillion. So the question is, why are you not tapping in? Online is where a lot of people are now going to be making extra source of income, and some will eventually turn it to their main source of income. Now, on today's episode of Yeti's Clash, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 15 side hustles that you can use to make money online and how to get started at the end. So don't go anywhere. Hi guys, my name is Yeti and welcome to Yeti's Clash. So let's get right into it. Number one on my list is called dropshipping. So what does dropshipping mean? Dropshipping means an opportunity that allows you to buy products from one person and then sell it to another person without you having the stock on the ground. Yes, you drop ship from a supplier and then your buyer buys it from you, but you don't even touch the product. You don't even keep it. Now, there are several platforms you can use for drop shipping. You can either use eBay, you can use TikTok, or you can even use Amazon for your drop shipping business. So you buy something from supplier A, sell it to the end user, and you yourself will not even have stock of that product. It goes directly to them. All you have to do is list the product on your store, add your own profit to it, and then voila, you're making money. It might sound a little hassle-dazzle if you've never heard about it, but it's a very simple model that people are using to make money online. Number two is the Amazon FBM model. FBM means fulfilled by merchant. It's an opportunity where Amazon allow people or merchants to sell on their platform their own products and then make money through it. It's almost similar to dropshipping. You can use dropshipping as an FBM model, or you can use FBM model on its own. If you have stock, you can buy it on your own, put it in your house, and then sell it on Amazon for a profit. So for example, if you buy, let's say, all these either wash up liquid or bin bag, you see them selling it online, maybe £5. You can't have a supplier that will sell it to you for £1. You have a stock of it in your house, list that product on Amazon, people are buying it and you're dispatching it. That is fulfillment by merchants, FBM. Another great model that people are using to make money online. Number three is Amazon KDP, and this is an exciting model for people who want to be published authors making money online as well. Number four, China importation, guys. China importation. Importing things from China is the new oil, because you would realize how cheap a lot of things are. Like things that are being sold on Amazon for £14, you can actually import it from China for less than $1. Yes, that is how ridiculously cheap things are in China. So that is also another side hustle that people use to make money. Number five on my list is definitely UGC. Oh, I love UGC. UGC means user generated content. It's a situation or a model where you as an individual, you don't have to have large following, you don't have to be an influencer. You just go online, create your content for brand, and you get paid for it. Simple as ABC. Number six is selling printables on Etsy. This I will 100% recommend for people that are creative. So if you're a creative person, you know how to do design, you can sell printables, templates. Lots of people are buying them on Etsy right now, and it's another way to make products. And if you're looking for proper passive income as a creative, selling printable is definitely one of it, because all you need is one product you can sell multiple times. One digital product that you create, bringing in constant sale for you. You can increase the price, you can reduce the price, you can do whatever you like with it. So that is a very good model of making money. Number seven on my list is TikTok shop. Guys, TikTok shop. If you're not taking huge advantage of TikTok shop, then you're seriously on a long thing, because a lot of creators, a lot of regular person like myself and yourself are cashing out selling things on TikTok shop. You can even become an affiliate for TikTok shops as well. A lot of opportunities available on TikTok if you know how to use it the right way. Yes, I'm talking about the regular TikTok that you just go to scroll and look for jokes and laugh and gossip. It can be a proper money making machine for you. Number 8, affiliate marketing. Oh my God, affiliate marketing is one of the most simplest model that you can use to make money. You know what that means? You find a product that you did not create, you sell that product and you get paid for it. There are lots of communities that you can affiliate. I made over £2,000 affiliating for a community. So you can affiliate community, you can affiliate digital products, you can affiliate anything. And most times, some affiliates will pay you as high as 50% of the actual fee of whatever it is you're affiliating. How amazing is that? Number 9 is faceless marketing. This is another new industry that is definitely booming. Number 10 on my list, digital marketing. Guys, digital marketing is the new oil. You can actually make money as a digital marketer by selling products, digital products online, from ebooks to anything and anything. As long as you can create a digital product, you can sell it online and make good cash. Number 11 is print on demand. So print on demand is another side hustle that you can do to make good money in the United Kingdom. It's an opportunity where you get to print, you get to get plenty shirts, print on it, and then sell it for a fee. And this is always moving in seasonal period, maybe Christmas period, Easter periods. People want to buy shirts saying, oh, happy Easter or happy Mother's Day, happy Father's Day. You can tap into the POD method as a means of making money. Bidding and purchasing option goods is also another method that a lot of people do not know about that you can use to make extra income online. 13. Selling on Vinted is also another way that a lot of people don't know. You think Vinted is only for used items where you can sell? No, there are also several methods in which you can use to make money on Vinted. Content creation with AI. Creating content with AI is the new gold. If you see all this funny AI contract here and there that is making everybody laugh, and then you're seeing that, oh, someone is going to the market, they are trying to prepare a soup, and they are going to the market and they are stealing gold rather than buying it, and it cracks you up, my dear, that is a money-making machine for that creator. So if you don't know, creating AI content is generating lots of money as side hustle for a lot of people. And lastly, guys, how to sell on live stream. You will not believe it. Several people are on live stream every day, morning, night, midnight, selling their products and massively cashing out. So learning how to sell on live stream, especially with using a platform like TikTok, would be an amazing opportunity for you to make money in 2026. So all these things that I've listed, which one are you interested in and which one have you heard of? Let me know in the comment section below. But what I'm trying to tell you is that the opportunities are there for you to make money. If the online making money is projected to be worth 1 to 2 trillion in 2030, now is the time for you to get into it and get a slice of the pie, if not carry the whole pie. So if you're interested in any of this online method of making money that I've mentioned, just check into my caption. You'll definitely see a link for Telegram group. You can join that Telegram group. And if you're also interested, there's this community I want to introduce to you. It is called the Side Hustle Inner Circle. Now, the Side Hustle Inner Circle is a community of hustlers, real hustlers that are passionate about making extra money online, using online as a means to make extra income. If you want to join us, please use the side hustle link that you can see in the description box, or just follow me on Instagram at YetiSplash. Check the link in my bio, you definitely find it. See, these are what members of my community members are saying. Look at this comment. They're massively cashing out. They're massively making money online, either using eBay or any of the side hustle of their choice. The most important benefit of joining Side Income Inner Circle is that all this hustling that I've mentioned, we teach you everything from A to Z. One important thing about the Side Hustle Inner Circle is that in this community, we hold your hands and teach you any of the side hustle that you're interested in. And while most of our students have 2 or 3 of this hustle, it's called hustle stacking. They do UGC, content creation, faceless marketing, content creation with AI. These 3 separate hustle is bringing in the money for them. So if you're interested, again, just check the link in my description or follow me on Instagram at YetiSplash, and the link to join both our Telegram channel as well as join our Inner Circle community, Side Hustle Inner Circle community, chic for short, will be in my description on my bio. Don't forget to like this video, share, keep following YetiSplash for more. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I'll definitely be answering you. If you're so confused or you think you can't make money online because you don't have passion for making money, just drop your worry in the comment section, and I will tell you that even people who never believed that they could eventually join our program, and they are seriously making money online. Don't forget to like this video. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.